Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry for no videos for the past week. I've been dealing with some lawyers, some meetings, and my mind's been at a different place. But I did trade a couple. Like I did catch this. I don't even know, 8 point move down, right? I did catch that. I caught like half of that. Plus a pretty good trade. But I want to go over intraday today, and that we are at a new week. So today was a pretty good day if you knew what the situation for today was, right? Um, we actually were in this selling, right? Since last week, right? We were in this selling, right? And we needed to, if we were headed down, we needed to be in the selling, right? Drop down from here, right? But if we were bullish, we would have broken out the selling, grabbed that liquidity from here, which is exactly what happened. Closed this cup, then the handle, right? So that's basically what happened today. We closed the cup, then the handle here. Um, which didn't complete, right, into another cup, right? So tomorrow we need to wait to see if another cup closes, and then we get the microstructure handle right here and then pushes her up, right? And then you have to pay attention to this white algo, right? Um, and see if we break out, right, of the white, or if we taper at the white, right? If we see tapering at the white, we need to protect heavily. Um, but the one good trade of the day today was right here, as well as I believe a short right here, um, which I did take, which I'll tell you about. But so at like 11:30ish, I'm gonna show you that intraday now, right? So we have this blue selling, right? Controlled selling. Then you can see how we broke out of that right here, right? And then this perfect, actually like left inverse head and shoulder right here. I'm gonna show you to you guys right here. Hold on, make it nicer for you guys, right? So you see that left shoulder head, and then this right shoulder right here, right? And then this break right here, which was this was like hands down the best trade, right? From here to at least 4 point. This is a 4 point move. So typically you want to hold till the strong green buying, right? Then you notice that we're tapering along this blue yellow that does bring us up, and you can see every time, right? So how do you manage trades again? We see if the high, the previous high is still a support, right? You see how we bounce off the previous high, bounce off the previous high, bounce off the previous high. In this case, we didn't even test it, right? So that's the play that we were looking for, bouncing off the previous high, and it kept doing that. So that's how we knew that to stay in the trade, right? Um, and for this instance, like we started we went off of we rejected the 5 day, right? So bullish continuation here would have been we push up above the 5 day, right? Right here, right? But we saw no continuation, so that's just your sign to exit the trade right there, right? And then possibly look for shorts because we are rejecting 5 day right here, right? And we have great liquidity from here, right? Head, right shoulder, right here. Um, so the first good trade was this right shoulder microstructure right here, right? Then honestly, I didn't find a good entry right here. Not a good risk to reward right there, but there was one good entry right here as well that I took. But that was the end of. I saw no selling continuation, right? You can see that we are tapering within this purple as well, right? No selling continuation. So I just didn't. I wasn't looking for trades unless like um, we saw like clear defined structure and it wasn't tapering, right? So you can see right here it was like tapering all the way here. So that's just like you call it a day, right? And you could wait for the bigger structure, whether it be the close of the cup again right here, right? Um, or some type of microstructure right here, right? Off of right here, right? That was forming, but we ran out of time in the day, right? So you need to look out for that tomorrow. Tomorrow you want to see the if we are headed up, the cup closing right at this 47, this big liquidity level right here, right? Use the 5-day as some sort of support and then bounce off, right? And then target the 50-day moving average, right? And see if we reject that, right? But ultimately you want to see the 5-day moving above the 50-day, right? To get the confirmation of the bullish structure, as well as price bouncing off the 5-day, right? But again, what if we are headed down? If we are headed down, you want to wait. So left shoulder liquidity right here ahead, right? We are actually what I draw that out for you guys. We are in this still yellow, up that yellow, right? We are still in that buying, right? So first signs of weakness, we need to see the break right here, right? Then the break of the white, and then eventually the cup close at this level right here, right? I'm gonna extend the red, right? So you want to see the cup close, right? And then the liquidity grab from the red right here, and then further push down, right? So we have ways to go down if we are headed down, and then we have ways to go up. So you're not really missing anything. And remember, you're not here to catch every trade. You're just here to catch the like the ones that, like, you don't need, like, for example, this 8-point move, right? You didn't have to catch all of it. You just needed to catch some of it to even make your whole money, or make your whole week, right? So that's all it is. Catching not catching every trade, but catching like enough to where you are able to hit your goal. I don't say you should have a goal when you're going into the market every day, just whatever the market gives you, but like you don't need to catch every trade to make money or make your week, right? You need to catch 1 to 2 to 3 trades to make your week or even month, right? So it's like, so if you didn't catch so like when, for example, we're in situations like this, right, where you notice that like we're in this chop, just like leave it, you know. You don't even have to trade any of this, right? Just leave it and wait for the better structure. You could wait for the better inverse cup right here, or even possibly the cup that forms right here, right? So anyways, yeah, that's the video for today. I hope you guys aren't disappointed in me. I will get back to daily uploads ASAP. This whole week I got you guys. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.